Potty Train.
O kabagat, what is that you're reading? May naman may test ka pa bukas sa science. You go study first before you read your favorite comics. Baka bumagsak ka sa science.
I woke up, it was 7. I waited till 11 just to figure out that no one would call. I think I've got a lot of friends, but I don't hear from them. What's another night all alone when you're spending every day on your own? And here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair. Nobody cares 'cause I'm alone and the world is having more fun than me tonight. And it's not my weekend, but it's gonna be my year. And I'm so sick of watching while the minutes pass as I go nowhere. And this is my reaction to everything I feel. 'Cause I've been going crazy, I don't wanna waste another minute here. Make believe that I impress, that every word by design turns ahead. I wanna feel reckless, wanna live it up just because. I wanna feel weightless, 'cause that would be enough. If I could just find the time, then I would never let another day go by. I'm over getting old. For me it's not my weekend, but it's gonna be my year. And I'm so sick of watching while the minutes pass as I go nowhere. And this is my reaction to everything I feel. 'Cause I've been going crazy, I don't wanna waste another minute here. One day you'll see her and you'll know what I mean. Take her or leave her, she will still be the same. She'll not try to buy you with her time, but nothing's the same as you will see when she's gone. It's foreign on.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamuti sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tumulak. Natatandaan mo pa ba? Inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong gumamit